than the one the world holds with children. There is no duty more important than ensuring that their rights are respected, that their welfare is protected, that their lives are free from fear, and that they can grow up in peace. Therefore, today, on account of World UNICEF Day, we, the students of class 5th A, are here to present a special assembly to create awareness amongst you all about this day. So let's wish good morning HM ma'am.
Good morning, HM ma'am.
Good morning teachers.
Good morning, teachers.
And all my dear friends.
And all my dear friends.
Friends, let us be thankful to God who has blessed all of us with His wonderful blessings. So let us be ready for the prayer. Sense of responsibility and loyalty to the school, I would like to call Jeet for pledge.
Be ready for pledge.
Country
Yes, my country.
and all Indians
All Indians
are my
are my
brothers and sisters.
brothers and sisters.
I love my country and I am proud of its youth.
Thinking, a healthy thought activates a healthy mind. So, I would like to call Ojasvi for today's thought.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today's thought is, young soul, never give up. If you want to change the world, you will change the world. I repeat, young soul, never give up. If you want to change the world, you will change the world. Friends, it means in life, what matters is our attitude. If we give up easily, we cannot taste the flavors of success. It takes years for a tree to give out tasty fruit. The world is gigantic and many people live in it. If we start with something small and many people decide to help, then we can make a difference that will affect the world. Even small changes can affect the world because a small idea can influence other ideas and influence others to want to help as well. Thank you and have a nice day. Present here. Today, we the student of class 5th A are here to present a poem on UNICEF Day. We kids are future of the nation. We kids are future of the nation. We are Almighty's heavenly creation. We are Almighty's heavenly creation. We are sent to this world to fulfill our dreams. We are sent to this world to fulfill our dreams. We landed here and discovered a difficult scene. We landed here and discovered a difficult scene. Hail and hearty, emotions drowned. When we heard an ugly devil laughing loud sound. When we heard an ugly devil laughing loud sound. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Children were dying of malnutrition. Children were dying of malnutrition. They were suffering, undergoing exploitation. They were suffering, undergoing exploitation. Child labor, social and mental harassment, trapped us. Child labor, social and mental harassment, trapped us. Is there no savior who can liberate us? Is there no savior who can liberate us? Empathizing the painful cries of children in the hand of devil. Empathizing the painful cries of children in the hand of devil. The whole world came together to fight this evil. The whole world came together to fight this evil. I wondered, who is this angel called? I wondered, who is this angel called? Yes, it's UNICEF, pride of one and all. Yes, it's UNICEF.
about UNICEF Day. On Halloween in 1950, school children in Philadelphia started an important tradition that has inspired millions of children to make a difference. By collecting money for the children of the world when they went trick or treating, the school children raised $17 in 1950. But since then, the children have raised nearly $200 million for UNICEF's work to provide emergency relief, medicine, clean water, better nutrition, and better education for kids in 160 countries. UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund, was created by the UN General Assembly in 1946 to provide humanitarian and development assistance to children and mothers in developing nations. UNICEF's focuses include immunization, child protection, education of girls, HIV and AIDS prevention and treatment, and early childhood care. These are the same focuses of the Millennium Development Goals, specific goals that all of the leaders of the world agreed to work towards. In addition to providing an opportunity to raise funds for UNICEF's work, UNICEF Day is also a chance for kids, their parents, and teachers to learn about the challenges facing children around the world, from poverty and diseases to armed conflicts. It's also a right time to learn about the rights of all children as declared in the Convention on the Rights of the Child and to remind our governments about their pledge to meet the Millennium Development Goals. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.